What if you could build a professional online store in one afternoon? No coding needed, no developer to hire, just AI that writes senior-level code for you. Hiring a developer costs thousands per page. You wait weeks for delivery. Every small change means another invoice and more delays. PapaThemes AI Widgets changes everything. Describe what you want in plain English. AI generates clean, responsive code in seconds, under $1 per page. A developer charges $5,000 and takes 4 weeks. AI Widgets costs under $1, 15 minutes. Same professional quality code. 3 powerful ways to build. Describe your vision in chat. Screenshot any website you admire and paste it. Or pick from 337 free templates. 337 section templates, 25 widgets, AI form builder with email delivery, 22 pop-up templates, 3 AI models. Customize every detail by chatting with the AI. Change colors, layouts, fonts, and animations instantly. Describe the change and watch it happen. Start building your dream store today. The app is completely free to install, all templates included. Pay only for AI. Visit papathemes.com.